How to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process error. 1. Delete affected app data folders at %app data % and %local app data %. Plan B, remove and reinstall affected app, Skype, Discord, etc. 2. Re-register the JavaScript DLL file. To do so, run regs for 32jscript.dll. Command as admin. 3. Automatically start the Quality Windows Audio Video Experience service. 4. Run your program without administrative privileges. 5. Close affected app processes. 6. For Discord users, try these tips. Delete Discord folders in app data, /users /username /app data /Discord, and local app data, %local app data %. Change the startup type of the Quality Windows. Audio Video Service. Run Discord without administrator privileges. Uninstall then reinstall Discord. Close all Discord processes via WTM.